Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. My July Boxycharm by Ipsy came, so we're gonna open it up. I don't remember what's in this box at all, and I think I did some add-ons. So if you guys want to see what I got, thank you for watching. I am really hoping that this month's box is better than last month, because last month wasn't really that great. I didn't love it. This is what the inside looks like, so let's get started. First item that I took out of the box is the First Aid Beauty Deep Cleanser with Red Clay, and I picked this. I'm really excited for this because I don't like the cleanser that I'm using right now, and this will help remove excess oil and unclog pores. I love First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty products have never done me wrong, so I'm very excited to try this out. My second pick is this Dr. Brandt Hydrating Serum to Highlighter. I'm very excited to try this. This sounds interesting. This has ashwagandha extract and camellia seed extract. I don't know what this is for. Okay, this is going to moisturize and illuminate. High luminosity hydration has arrived, powered by ashwagandha root and camellia seed extract. This innovative serum infuses skin with antioxidant-rich hydration for glass-like smoothness and glow with or without makeup. So after moisturizer, you apply this and then apply makeup or wear alone. This kind of sounds like the dewdrops that are going around that everyone's adding to their moisturizer, so I'll probably add this to my moisturizer. It sounds really good. I'm currently using the Drunk Elephant Rosy Drops, and I don't like them. I like the Pacifica ones better, but I'm really excited to add this to my skincare routine. So this was an add-on, and this is the Tula Skincare Radiant Skin Brightening Serum Skin Tint with SPF 30 and the shade 05 Light Neutral. I love Tula skincare, so I thought I would try this. It sounds really good. It might be too light. I feel like products like this, if it is a little too light or dark, it still like blends out nicely on the skin. So I'm really excited to try this. I love a good skin tint. Next up we have the Il Makiage Black Card Mascara in black. Ipsy chose this one for me. I'm excited to try it. I love trying new mascaras. I'm a little nervous because the last Il Makiage product I tried, which was an eyeshadow quad, I absolutely hated. So I'm excited to try this out. Let's see what the wand looks like. Oh, it is a very little thin wand, and I don't know if I'm gonna love the formula because it already looks kind of thick, and I like a thin, dry formula, so we'll see how that goes. Next up we have the Wing Me Cosmetics Well Put Eye Primer. I picked this. I always need an eyeshadow primer because it's one thing I just always forget to repurchase all the time, so whenever I see it in an Ipsy as a choice, I always grab it. And it is just an applicator that you kind of just put on the back of your hand, like put a little on the back of your hand and dab it onto your eye. Currently using the ColourPop one, and it has a doe foot applicator, which I really love. Absolutely love the ColourPop eye primer too. It's amazing. Next up we have the Gold Faded MD Wake Up Call. Ipsy chose this for me, and this is an overnight regenerative facial treatment. It has CoQ10, retinol, and avocado oil. The overnight creamy facial moisturizer redefines skin feel and improves the appearance of photo-damaged aging skin, leaving the skin supple, feeling plump, and appearing hydrated. This all sounds right up my alley, so cannot wait to try. And the last thing that I got is this teeny tiny Tarte Fake Awake Eye Highlight in Nude. This was an add-on. It is so teeny tiny, but it is just like a nude eyeliner. I love these because it makes your eyes look less red. Just makes your eyes look more big and awake, which I really like, but I did not expect it to be this teeny tiny, but I'm kind of glad it is this teeny tiny because then I can try it, and if I really like it, I will buy the full size from like Sephora or Ulta. So that was the July box. I feel like it was a little bit better than last month's box. There are a lot of products I'm very excited to try. If you also get Boxycharm by Ipsy, let me know in the comments down below if we got any of the same products, if we got different products. I would love to hear what you got as well. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!